Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can manage multiple incoming calls on Android phone. If you want to manage multiple calls, you can activate call waiting feature on your Android phone. Now let's just practice how to activate the call waiting feature. First of all, open your phone application on your Android phone, and after that, you can click on the three dots button on the top right corner of your screen. Then you can select settings option, and this is the settings option, so just tap on it. Then you can scroll down until you find supplementary services, and it's over here. We can select it, and we can select the SIM card that we want to activate the call waiting feature. And for example, I'm going to select SIM 2. Then we can click on the toggle button on the SIM 2, and then right after we click on the toggle button, the call waiting feature will be activated. Alright guys, and this call waiting feature will allow you to go back and forth between two calls. If you get another call when you're still calling someone, you can hold the first call and pick up the new call, so you don't need to end the first call. Okay guys, and that's how we can manage multiple incoming calls on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.